Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful and outstanding look by using just one piece of scarf. So we're going to use different colors of scarves, and this is our number one style. So I am going to use this amazing multiple color scarf, and I'm going to fold it once, as you can see. And then afterwards, I'm going to give you just very few tips. Just make sure that if you have hair inside, just put your hair in place, and that's how I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap it around the perimeter of my head, and I am going to push everything right at the back of my head. As you can see, that's what I'm doing, sweetheart. It's very simple, it's very easy, and very quick. So then I have these two sides of my scarf from the back to the front. Make sure it's tight enough, but don't make it too tight, honey. So that's how it's gonna be. And then the next stuff you're gonna do is to tie a knot, just a single knot. Don't make it too tight, as I told you, sweetie. So that's how you're gonna do it. And then I'm fixing just the top of the scarf, as you can see, and then I'm gonna fold this one on the other side like that. I'm gonna create like a bow tie. So I'm folding this other side also, and then I'm gonna tie a knot, tucking it in from upward, as you can see. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just gonna tie that knot a bit tight, and then I'm gonna tuck in the remaining pieces of scarf inside that bow tie I have just tied, that knot I've just tied. So I'm gonna tuck in this side's leftover scarf inside the other side. That's what I'm gonna do, darlings. So I'm gonna tuck it in like that. I'm gonna tuck it in like that. You tuck it in, fake it till you make it. You know, it's not perfect, it's not supposed to be so perfect, but just make it neat, just make it interesting. That's what you're supposed to do. So that's how you do it. And there we have a bow tie headscarf. Hello, don't I just look beautiful? So on to the next. This is the next and the second style that we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use a single color scarf, and I'm wearing black dress with these black and white earrings. As you can see, I'm just wrapping around my hair on top. If you don't have hair, you can use a small or thin scarf, wrap it around and just attach it on top of your head, just to get that a little bit of volume. But since I have braids on, I'm just using the tail of my braid. So I'm tying the scarf from backward, bringing it forward like that, and then make sure the two ends are equal in size, in length. And then we're gonna do this. I am going to just wrap it, like twist it once, and then take one side of the scarf and just twist it. Like you can see, I am twisting it. Don't make it too tight and don't make it too loose. I am feeling myself already, darlings. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap it around and bringing it all the way forward. And then I keep rolling it like that, and then I'm gonna tuck it in where it ends. I'm gonna do the same thing with this other side of the remaining piece of scarf. I'm just rolling it like that. See how simple it is? It's very simple, it's very quick. Then I'm gonna wrap it around like that. Simple, quick, and just very fun. I'm having a lot of fun creating these scarf looks. I hope you are going to have so much fun. You can see, make sure you pair your headscarf with beautiful earrings like the one I'm pairing with. You can choose any color that complements your look and your outfit. So that's what it do. That's what we got, and I am so happy with the results. On to the next style, sweethearts. This one was like, oh, I'm gonna go to the next one. I am going to use this polka dot headscarf in pink color. Pink, this is pink and purple. The polka dots are purple and the scarf itself is pink, pinkish peach. So I'm just gonna wrap it around the perimeter of my head. I also folded it once, and then make sure the ends are equal. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use a bobby pin, and that just attach the two ends together and then pin it down. But I make sure the bobby pin goes all the way to my braids inside. So if you don't have braids and we have to do this bobby pin thing or any pin thing, just have those stocking caps inside, and also have just like a thin scarf tucked in a stocking cap. I will do more videos of this, how to do this when you don't have hair. So I tucked in that bobby pin under, going through my my braids so that I have that grip. And then I'm spreading the two ends of the scarf and bringing them forward. So then I'm just creating whatever that I'm doing. I don't know how to call it. I just call it creativity. Yes, we call it creativity. Yes, so I am bringing back the one side of the scarf up to my neck, and then I'm kind of like crisscrossing them like that, in and out to create that like a rope thing, or like a, I don't know how to call it, but like a necklace kind of thing. So this is it, sweethearts and my Muslim sisters. You can rock this scarf and you can still look more decent, you can still look classy and beautiful. So on to the next scarf style. So this one I've also folded it in half, like you can see, and then I'm wrapping it around the perimeter of my head. But this one I'm gonna do a different kind of look. I'm just gonna fold, like create some patterns. So I'm creating those folds together. I'm just folding, and then I'm creating another fold, and then I'm creating another one, just to have those like round folds like that, and to have some texture in my headscarf. And then I'm gonna tie a knot at the back, tying that knot like that. And then after that, you will have your scarf looking like this. And then after we've done this and made them clear, we've made them very presentable, very goody looking, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just go to the next step. So I'm gonna bring the two ends forward, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around like that. Just wrap it around. You know, you can be creative as you go, and then do whatever that you do, and then until you come up with a style. That's how I did these scarves. Actually, the original video of this one had like 11 headscarf styles, but it did have a voiceover and it was in Swahili. So since this video, this channel is for English, so we're doing English videos, and that's it. On to the next, sweethearts. I am gonna use that scarf, the thin scarf, like you can see. I'm just gonna add some volume to my head, so I'm gonna just wrap it around. If you don't have hair, you can use a stocking cap and just wrap that scarf, the thin scarf, and then put it on top of your head, and then you wear a stocking cap on top, and then you have that band, which is gonna be secure because you're wearing that stocking cap, and then you have that grip. Then my scarf is folded in a half, as you can see, and then I'm just wrapping it from the back of my head and then to the front of my head, and then I'm just gonna crisscross it and then pull it backwards, and then I'm gonna wrap each end. I'm wrapping it around to the front until the other side of the head, until I get it all tucked in. That's what I'm doing. It's very simple. As I told you, just play with your headscarf as much as you can until you get your desired look. That's it. I love this one. I love this one. On to the next, we're gonna use this amazing blue, pink and yellow colored scarf. Oh my goodness, you can hear that noise, but I'm sorry, we have some noise. I'm living by the road. So I'm tying it from the back of my head like that, and then I'm gonna bring it forward. I folded it in a half also, and then I just brought it forward, and then I crisscrossed it once, and then I'm just gonna do like a 2-strand twist braid like that, and then afterward I'm just gonna pull it upward a little so that my hair can show in front like that. But if you don't have hair, you don't have to worry. You just do it without the hair and it will still look amazing, beautiful and classy. This is all about creativity, and in this channel you're gonna see a lot of creative, simple stuff that will make your life easy and will make you look classy, and voila. On to the next one, and this is the last one. What we're gonna do, fold it once and then wrap it around from the back and bring it forward. and then I'm gonna tie a knot. My hair is up. If you don't have hair, you can use any scarf. Maybe you can use a purple stocking cap inside and just have those mixed of colors. Then I'm gonna tie like that, just like a bow tie. Then I'm gonna fix it, and then I am going to tuck the ends of the scarf inside the bow tie that I made, just to give it volume and to make it more clean, more neat. And there you have it. It's another bow tie headscarf, darlings, but in a different color and in more volume. And I love this one. I love the color of the scarf. I love how it turned out, and I love everything. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye for now.